Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the wisest purchases. Today, we're taking to the skies with two mini drones that pack a punch. The Heygelo HS430 and the Heygelo S90. Will the Holy Stone give us heavenly vibes? Or will the Heygelo make us shout, "Hey, hello!" with excitement? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. Heygelo Stone HS430 is priced at $77. So if you're looking to splurge a little, this might be your go-to. On the other hand, the Heygelo S90 comes in at a more budget-friendly $59. That's right, folks. You can save enough to buy yourself a decent pizza. Now, on to the cameras. Both drones boast a 1080p HD camera, meaning both can capture your epic aerial stunts in glorious detail. Heygelo Stone claims to offer great vision and smooth FPV transmission, which reviewers say lives up to its promise with good still photos and decent video quality. Meanwhile, Heygelo offers real-time live video and the ability to share instantly to social media. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and find it a great entry-level drone with impressive features for beginners. Flight time is crucial. Heygelo Stone gives you nearly half an hour of airtime with its two modular LiPo batteries. Reviewers love the extended flight time and find it easy to set up and fun to use. Heygelo, on the other hand, offers 26 minutes with its two modular batteries. While slightly less, reviewers still find it satisfactory for capturing important moments and praise its durability and ease of control. Both drones are compact and portable, but Heygelo Stone claims it fits in the palm of your hand when folded. Perfect for those spontaneous drone flights when you're out and about. Reviewers find it lightweight and quiet. Heygelo is also foldable and can be tossed into a backpack. Reviewers appreciate its portability and find it a great option for both indoor and outdoor use. Let's talk fun stuff, features. Heygelo Stone is packed with high-speed rotation, circle fly, trajectory flight, voice control, gesture control, gravity sensor mode, throw to go, headless mode, one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, 360 degrees flip, and VR mode. Reviewers enjoy the plethora of features and find it versatile and powerful. Heygelo isn't holding back either, with more than 10 professional stunts, 360 degrees flip, high-speed rotation, circle flight, trajectory flight, and more. Plus, it has voice and app control, making it feel like you're piloting a spaceship. Reviewers find it beginner-friendly and fun to fly. Safety first, folks! Heygelo Stone offers over-voltage protection and low battery warnings, making sure your drone doesn't drop out of the sky like a rock. Reviewers appreciate the safety features and find it secure and stable. Heygelo features propeller guards and altitude hold for stable flight, perfect for those of us who are still getting the hang of this whole drone thing. Reviewers highlight its safety and ease of use for beginners. Overall, both drones have received positive feedback from users. The Heygelo Stone HS430 is praised for its extended flight time, good camera quality, and plethora of features, making it a versatile option for both beginners and experienced users. However, it can be a bit noisy due to its powerful motors. The Heygelo S90, on the other hand, is appreciated for its budget-friendly price, ease of use, and durability. It's a great entry-level drone with impressive features, making it ideal for beginners. So which one should you choose? If you're looking for a drone with a plethora of features and a slightly longer flight time, Heygelo Stone might be your holy grail. But if you're on a budget and want to save some extra bucks for pizza, Heygelo is a fantastic option that won't disappoint. Thanks for watching, smart shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Comment below which drone you'd go for, and as always, stay smart, stay savvy, and happy shopping. Product links are in the description.